If your HiSense Google TV 4K is not picking up any antenna or digital TV channels, autoscan is not finding channels, or maybe there are some missing channels, or it's not scanning at all and says no channel found, then let me show you some basic steps that can help you fix scanning issues and find missing channels on your HiSense TV. If your HiSense TV can't find any channel, the first thing that you want to do is disconnect the antenna cable and connect it all the way in properly. Also, if you have an outdoor antenna, then you should also check that connection, and in most cases, if you adjust your antenna position, then it may help fix missing channels. After that, if you're using digital cable, then contact the cable provider to make sure that you have an active subscription. If all of these are okay, but you're still not getting channels on your HiSense TV, then let's try rescanning for the channels now. To do that, you'll need to open all settings, from there channels and inputs, channels, and first make sure that you are using the correct tuner mode. For example, if you're using antenna but you have cable channels, then you won't find those channels. So select the correct one, which in your case is cable, and then go to auto channel scan. Now this will say it will clear your current channels, which we want to do. So just press start and let it finish all the way to 100%. And this time you should get all the available channels. Even after rescanning, if your HiSense TV is not finding any channels, then this can also happen if you have a DVR or a digital video recorder connected to your TV. In that case, connect the cable directly to your TV and give it another try. And in some rare cases, if your TV has outdated software, then this can also cause some issues with channel scanning. So make sure that your TV is up to date. If it's still not working, then there may be some advanced issues, and to fix that, you can contact HiSense support and also your cable provider. And hopefully they'll be able to resolve your issue. So let us know if this helped, and if you indeed found this helpful, drop a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.